det er også meget erfaring inden for det agile. Det er den med at give folk noget, selvom det er halvfærdigt. Bare det, de kan se.
Vi får noget på penge her.
Vi, i stedet for at man sidder og roder med noget i et halvt år eller et helt år, så kommer der verdens fineste stol, og så er det bare helt skævt.
Yes. I've been chilling with Moss. Just hanging out watching skating videos on YouTube. It's time for some sushi. And hanging out with Jazz in the kitchen. I also got some clothes running in the machine. So convenient to have all these modern things. But I'm looking forward to not having them. Or at least not depending on them. Well, I already don't. I already have solutions for all these things. It's just still really convenient to use. Well, time to make some sushi. Got the rice vinegar. Got the rest down here. Guys, I'm just having a chill day. Made some chicken nuggets. Ran out of ketchup in the kitchen, but thankfully I have this little squeezy bottle here. Boom, there we go. Ketchup and a mountain of nuggies. I was talking to some American viewers for the past day or so. They announced basically a few hours before they landed that they were going to be in Copenhagen camping and stuff. Sadly, on such a short notice, I didn't really have time to properly organize meeting up with them. Maybe another time. Alan invited me to come back to his place. Just hang out with him and his sons until Nake Festival in like 10 days. So that's quite the warm-up party. 10 days of warm-up, maybe a little too much. I think I'm gonna show up over the course of the next few days. I just need a little time to myself, just relax. I haven't even edited anything yet. Oh god. What are the odds of catching these going both ways? That's the first time I've tried that here. Maybe that's just a sign it's about time to move on. Look at what I made. It may look a little burnt, but it's the right amount of burn. Oh, This is gonna be good. And just with some plain rice, some soy sauce, some mushroom sauce. Yeah, this is it. Get back to hanging out with Stony.